continue and how it works, and I think this is one of the most important part, one of the most important topics of the first week lectures. And now I think only 10 minutes left, so I think the first thing is that we should do a quick review, and so here we go. Object-based how it works, there are several. Um, Several nouns that made difficult, seems difficult. That is instance, reference, and object overriding. Go for local variables versus instance variables, overriding, overloading, and overriding access. Oh, this is one of the most constructors, creating, and methods, and so on. Object instance variables, reference variables. A quick view about what is an instance variable means that when we have class, then so that like shape, so that later we create a circle. This circle extends from the supervised instance. I mean, reference, I don't know, using object, overloading, so overriding means that the same overloading means that one function has the same name but different parameters. Scope, for instance, the access a local variable and instance variable. Oh, it's a little tricky. Creating objects, method access control, overriding constructors, creating object method and access control. Constructor is the initialize, override means what means reuse again. So there are several detailed descriptions that means that we need something, so we need to create some methods so that we can deal with this what we need, and there are object and classes. Object means instance. Means instance, I think. The description of a group object is known as a class. My car is instance of the or class. A particular member of class is known as object. A class only exists a confined time, and object only exists. It's a very important thing that a class there are four states, but the first state added, the second is the compile, and the third is the load. So the first is that class only in this compile time object is the runtime. Class name is the name of class. Case sensitive means that the same name of the file name and class name. Typically, a class provides a template for an object. This is template. Instance variable means instance variable. Instance means object. Instance variable means attribute. Operation means method. Attributes is the state, description, and some adjective, and no adjective, but just some attributes, and to reflect the what is the object. No, two types: instance variable, class variable. Modifier, how much access do you want your measure? Modifier, how much access do you want your method to have? Methods, syntax. Method, modifier, return type. Modifier is return type, and name parameter static. public int do something parameters list, and so method return must be of same type and return. Why is it important a method using parameters whereas the caller passes arguments? A method uses parameters while the caller passes arguments. What is the arguments and difference between arguments and parameters? This is a parameter, I think. But oh, this is difference that it means that when we do something, but there's something not changed in work for instance. This is just the parameter and the argument that x is the argument, but when we go x do something, x is also doesn't change. Method, parameter, caller, and invoker. Persist argument. There must be same type. If a calling method we can invoke it and do something. Int result means do something, a lot of animation. That means that we input x, y to variable and compare them and then return something. Why do we 5, 7 result equals to do some method means that we return the because of the 5 less than 7, so we need to sum them up, which means return 12. Now to do some method G and I, there are different directions, so that we have different results, different operations, call tasks, and the stack representation. So space that fire cell and if else space for do something, then free, and so that space required for main method and then space call the function, then return. So we only have we directly have the this space initially, and then this I think this is very important for initialize method. At the beginning, we just have some space to store ig and result, and then we evoke the method and return some value to the initial variable, so that parameters pass by value or pass by copy. This is I had lots of animation. Pass by value means go the copy x run x. It's still the same. And UML means Unified Modeling Language. Unified Modeling Language. Class CDN means class diagram, Unified Modeling Language. A software design notation that class name, attribute, method. Class name, attribute, and method. Class name, attribute, method. This is a very standard unified modern language. Looking in many of the instances, create and instance variable first, and then there's something. Where is the main? Oh, main means that in main, this is just a create a type of object, and the main is the later. Only one class have only one main. Right, test means may swing. Okay. Tutorial user may test your launch your application test and launch basic operation. Create the file store. Oh, the rain. It's raining, so I think later I should stop. Thank you very much.